Okay, now let me introduce the concept of congruent triangles. What are congruent triangles? Well, they're triangles with the exact same shape and size. So all the angles are the same. So for example, this angle is equal to this angle is equal to that angle, and this third angle here is equal to that one. But of course, these are not equal. No, not necessarily. Well, they could be, I guess, but if these two triangles are congruent, these angles are the same. And the same goes for all the sides. So this one is equal to this one, that one is equal to that side, and this third side is equal to this over here. So they have the exact same shape and size. So how can we prove, though, or make sure that two triangles are congruent? In this video, I'm going to show you 3 different ways. We can prove that through side, side, side. So for example, if I show you these two little triangles, I know they look terrible. They're not going to be perfectly to scale. And I tell you that this measures 5, this measures 6, and that measures 7. And same here, that's 5, that's 6, and that's 7. These are in fact congruent triangles. And we know that through side, side, side. Because we know that this side is equal to that side, this side is equal to this side, and the last side is equal to that last side as well. Great. Now, another way to prove that two triangles are congruent is through SAS, or side angle side. So let's just draw. Should have drawn these before, I guess. They look so terrible. Hold on. Okay, that's slightly better. So let's say that I tell you that this angle here measures at 100 degrees. And so does that one. And also, this side measures 5, right here. And this side right here measures 6. And that this side measures 5, and that one measures 6. Look at this. Side, angle, side. Side, angle, side. So, we can say that these two triangles are congruent as well because of side, angle, side. Now, the last way that I'm going to teach, at least right now, to prove that two triangles are congruent is ASA, or angle, side, angle. So how does that work? Well, let's take a look at these two here. Let's say that, let's forget about these. Let's pretend we don't know that right now. Okay, but let's say that I tell you that this angle right here measures, let's say 40 degrees. And that this one measures 80 degrees. And that this side, exactly in between the two angles that I told you about, measures 5 centimeters. And over here, we have 40 degrees as well, 80 degrees as well, and 5 centimeters. Are these two triangles congruent? Yes, yes they are, through angle, side, angle, ASA. So 3 different ways to prove whether two triangles are congruent or not. And of course, there are many questions that you should try and practice to make sure you understand the concept well. It seems pretty straightforward, or so I hope. And let me give you a small example here. For example, let's say I have these two triangles, and I have something like 7, 7, then I have 30 degrees, 30 degrees, and I have 5 centimeters and 5 centimeters. Do we know that these are congruent? Yes. Why? Through side, angle, side. Okay, now of course I recommend try some questions, and good luck with congruent triangles.